Let me guess, you've been thinking about starting an online business, but the thought of learning all the tech makes you want to run the other way. I get it. When I started, I didn't know the difference between a funnel and a filter. I thought you had to be some kind of coding genius to make money online. Here's the truth. You don't need to be techy. You just need simple systems that do the work for you. In this video, I'll walk you through digital marketing for beginners with no tech skills, step by step, so you can see how to start and grow a business you love without getting stuck in the weeds. If we haven't met, I'm Lori, a married empty nester mom of 4. I've tried all the things online, Etsy, Amazon, freelancing, and the biggest thing I learned is that it's too complicated. It's not sustainable. That's why I'm passionate about showing moms and dads how to use digital marketing in a simple way that fits real life. Here's the mistake most beginners make. They overcomplicate everything. I know because I've done the same thing. They try to design fancy websites, chase every new platform, and learn all the tech before they even start. No wonder so many people quit before they even make their first sale. It doesn't have to be that way. If you focus on a few simple systems, you can get results without needing a degree in tech, even being a complete beginner. Let's look at the 3 foundations of digital marketing. Foundation 1 is share your story. People don't buy from businesses. They buy from people. Sharing your story, why you started, what you've learned, who you helped, connects you to your audience. This doesn't require any tech, just you being real. Foundation 2 is use simple tools. Instead of learning 20 different platforms, use tools designed for complete beginners like System.io platforms, and content schedulers mean you don't have to code a thing. If you can copy, paste, and click a button, you can do this. Foundation 3 is let automation do the heavy lifting. Automation is where the magic happens. You don't want to send emails one at a time or manually have to message people. You set up simple email sequences and funnels that run 24/7 in the background. That's what gives you time freedom. If this makes sense, go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss future videos like this. And don't forget, I've linked my free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It walks you through these beginner steps in detail and shows you how to build a business without tech overwhelm. Okay, let's break this down step by step so you know exactly what to do. Number 1, pick a simple done-for-you business, one where the products, delivery, and systems are already set up. That way you don't waste months learning the tech. Number 2, set up just a landing page, a sales page, and checkout. Most platforms have drag and drop templates, so it's plug and play. Number 3 is create a lead magnet, something free and valuable, like a checklist or a guide to collect emails. Number 4, write your first email sequence. It doesn't have to be fancy. Introduce yourself, share your story, and invite people to check out your offer. Number 5 is post content consistently. Short videos or posts that show your journey, your story, and how your system can help others. No coding, no endless tech setup, no chasing every new hack or friends and family, just simple steps that anyone can follow. My digital marketing work week looks like this. I spend 1 hour creating content, 30 minutes posting free ads or going live, and 30 minutes replying to comments and emails. That's a 2-hour workday. And the whole time I'm living my life, my funnel and email are working in the background. That's how you build a business without tech stress. So here's the bottom line. Digital marketing for beginners with no tech skills is not only possible, it's the smartest way to start. You don't need to know everything. You just need to take the first step. Use simple systems and let the automations do the rest. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss what's next. And grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint in the description below. It will give you the exact roadmap for starting a simple, profitable online business without tech overwhelm. Thanks for spending this time with me. I'll see you in the next video.